So I've been trying to engage with my audience a little more, or as much as possible, which is why I have my Discord server. And recently I started talking to one of you over voice chat, and I just realized that even if we're speaking the same sentence, voice is completely different from text. And obviously video is better than voice, and voice is better than text, but I don't think too many people are willing to do video chat, whereas voice chat is just much easier. If you have a phone, you can install Discord and go on the voice chat server that I just opened recently and carry on a casual conversation. We could talk about game dev, we could talk about non-game dev, just I think having voice chat, I think, is a good chance for me to engage with the people who are watching my channel and sort of get to know them a little better. Sometimes I do try to read all the comments on each of my YouTube videos sometimes, but I miss the comments. I think a central Discord server might be a better place if you want to reach out, if you want to ask questions, if you have any comments. So being available is probably one of my main reasons why I use the Discord server. Usually I stay home, and if somebody tries to reach me, I'm more than happy to answer your call or your text or your mention. And the other reason is that sometimes when you rely on text, a lot of the nuance gets lost, and sometimes people misunderstand each other. And there's been times where I had to kick people. I think I've booted 2 people, which was probably a mistake, but I try my best to engage. And I think when you only talk in text, it's a lot easy. It's very easy to misinterpret somebody and then get into an argument, and people are just ending up offending each other. And I think voice might also prevent that somewhat. And in the end, just casual conversations are probably a lot more fun than typing away in your keyboard. So if you're not used to Discord, just Google a few things about it. Hopefully you'll install it. And if you really want to reach out and add your input to any one of my projects, or if you want to carry on a conversation either about game dev or about just other stuff, you're more than welcome to do so. I know that a lot of people live in different time zones, so there isn't really a perfect time for me to be online, but I try to leave my computer on most of the time. And if you would like to do a little voice chat or add a little input into one of my projects, and we can carry on a conversation and have fun. So that's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.